What happens when you call me? What happens when you give Rodgers Painting a call? We answer it, we ask you some information. Why do we need it? Where does it go? We're gonna show you that today. So when you call us, you're gonna be calling us, you need something painted. You say, hey, this is me, I need my bedroom painted, or I need my house painted, or whatever it is. And we're gonna say, okay, hey, we need a little information from you. So first of all, what's your name? What's your phone number? What's your email? And when's a good time that we could come out and take a look at it? And we do that one of two ways. We can share our schedule with you, and you can schedule for yourself. If you need to talk to your spouse or whatever to get that schedule down, we get it, we do too. And so we give the ability for you to schedule for yourself. If not, if you know a time off the top of your head, you can let us know. And if it fits our schedule, we'll put you in and come out as soon as possible. We'll come out to your project, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask you, what all do you need done? We're gonna walk around and we're gonna look at those places with you, and we're gonna talk about and make some notes about what you need done. After that, we're gonna say, hey, listen, we're gonna walk around, we're gonna take a little measurements of some of those substrates and areas that you said that you would like to have painted. And after we do that, we'll come back to you and say, okay, we've got our measurements, and here's the products that we're thinking fit your project. We'll go over with what they are, where they're coming from, what their quality level is, and what your options are there. Then after that, we're gonna take that information back to our office. When we get to the office, we're gonna start an estimate. And so what that is we're gonna give you a price for your specific job. That way, when we come and start, there's no guessing. There's no paying us by the hour or figuring out, are we still on budget or not? We're gonna give you a price based on our industry knowledge and what we think we can do your job for up front. So you see that and you say, okay, I know it's gonna be $1,000 for them to come and do this. And you know that before we ever step foot on your project. Once you receive that, you'll see the line items of everything that we're gonna do and the total price. You click on that and you'll see a spot there where it says accept. And when you hit accept, you'll sign that either with your cursor on your computer, with your finger if you're on your phone, and you'll sign that. Now we'll put you into our schedule. That brings us to scheduling. We have a 4-week projection with our schedule. So what we do is in construction, things change. You've got weather that can play a part. You have other jobs running over or clients that have added things on, and so we weren't able to nail down an end date for them. What we do is we try to get you within a week of when we'll be there. And so we have a 4-week projection, and that's where we put all of our projects. So for the next 4 weeks, we have that planned out pretty well. And as your project approaches, we will be communicating with you to let you know, hey, we're gonna be there next week. We're gonna let you know and ask what a time and a day is that works for you for us to show up. So then once we get our schedule nailed down, the next thing we gotta do is we gotta produce it. We get to paint. The exciting part, you guys get to have a new room, new colors in your house. It's so fun, and we're so happy that we get to be a part of that process for you. So we come to your house and we go through, and our team will get there and they'll start covering up, making sure that we're not getting paint on anything that we're not supposed to, that we're not gonna be painting. So they'll cover up and they'll do all the prep work needed. Then they'll come through and they'll look for any scuffs on the walls or nail holes or caulking joints that need to be filled to prep those substrates to get ready for paint. And then now it's painting time. They'll go on and they'll put the appropriate amount of coats that need to be done on your room or the substrate that we're doing, whether it's inside or outside your house or in your business or outside of your business. We'll come through there and we'll do that. Then what happens is we walk down with you. We're all finished up and we want to walk with the customer after everything dries and look, is there anything that you see that we may have missed? Or a spot that shows up afterwards that maybe we weren't able to see. And we create what's called a punch list. And that's what we do to make sure that you're satisfied with our work, and if there's anything missed, that we rectify that. Once that's complete, once you're satisfied, we come to you with our post-job package. That's gonna show you all the colors that we use in your area, where you can get those colors and those products. And then also it's gonna have a little information about our company and a little place where you can add a review for us if you think we've done a good job, and let us know how we've done otherwise, if we can make or improve our company. So after we do that, you're done and you go into our previous clients list. We have a log of all the previous clients that we've ever worked for, and you'll get special promos and you get special things sent to your email if you elect for that. And that can give you discounts on future paint, and we have return customer discounts and all sorts of fun stuff. So that's our projects from start to finish. From the time you call to the time that we walk out and you're satisfied, that's how it works here at Rodgers Painting.